Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure auto insurance with Geico. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring auto insurance with Geico, visit their official website at www.geico.com. Once on the home page, locate the Get a Quote button prominently displayed. Click on this button to start the process. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. Fill in your zip code and click Start My Quote. Next, you will need to provide information about the vehicles you want to insure. Enter the make, model, and year of each vehicle. Continue by indicating whether the vehicle is owned, leased, or financed. After this, you will be asked about your driving history. Provide details such as any accidents or violations within the last few years. Once your driving history is submitted, you will move on to personal details. Enter your name, address, and date of birth as required. You may also need to provide details about other drivers in your household. Next, Geico will require information regarding your insurance needs. Specify the type of coverage you desire, such as liability or full coverage. You may also want to consider optional coverages like roadside assistance or rental car reimbursement. After selecting your coverages, review the payment options provided. Choose a payment plan that fits your budget, whether monthly or annually. Geico will then present you with quotes based on your input. Review the details carefully, including coverage limits and deductibles. Make adjustments if necessary to align with your preferences. Once satisfied with your quote, click on Continue to proceed with the application. You will need to create an account or log in if you are an existing customer. Follow prompts to finalize your application and payment. After completing the process, you will receive confirmation of your policy. Make sure to save any documents for your records. With these steps, you are now configured with auto insurance through Geico. Explore the various features and benefits your policy provides. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your vehicle is insured. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.